yung ginamit na word.
Tuition fee. And what is the purpose of this tuition fee?
Ayun, para ma-accept daw ako sa grupo nila. Tapos every week magbibigay ako sa kanila ng pera.
With your admission in this group that you are referring to, what representation did they give you in relation to the challenges that you are experiencing with regards to the release of your shipment?
Unang-una, nagbigay ako sa kanila. Nagpunta akong Davao, so binigay ko yung pera kay Small. So,
how much is that money?
5 million.
5 million. What is the purpose of you giving that 5 million to Small?
Yun yung sinabi nila sa akin, ibigay yung 5 million. Susunduin ka dyan ni Jack.
Anong kapalit ng 5 million na yun? Why are you giving Small 5 million?
Yun nga, para mapapasok,